Not too bad, not too bad, but it's so hot. So hot.
Yeah, it definitely has been a bit nicer today. It's a bit more reasonable today.
Yeah, today is much better than yesterday and the day before yesterday. But
Yeah,
anyway, it's
you
so
can actually
hot.
sleep again,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
which is good. But yeah, are you still over at the AA?
What do you mean?
Are you still working over at the AA?
Yeah, sure.
Nice. I'm just curious actually because like like I know AA as a company obviously, but like what what kind of part of their platform have you been working on as a software engineer?
There are a lot of them, but I'm working with driving school platform. There are a lot of application and all other stuff.
Okay. So like these sort of applications that maybe the repair people might use and that kind of thing.
So actually, there are some application for the manager stuff, which kind of CRM system or something. There are a few mobile application for the customers. We have two type of customers. This is the instructor and the learners, and some other websites and so on.
Okay. Okay. Cool. How is it building these platforms? Is it sort of quite complex? Is it relatively straightforward? Is it like a lot of new features or a lot of maintenance work?
It depends. Actually, we have a lot of different things. We do the maintains for the legacy code because we have a lot of legacy. And yeah, we are creating some new things. For example, right now we are launching new mobile application and we are using some modern things there. And yeah, pretty good.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Interesting. And in terms of the tech stack, it's TypeScript based front end back end, right?
Yeah, sure. I'm working there like full stack developer with some AWS infrastructure and so on.
Nice. Are you getting involved with like the the sort of cloud infrastructure, maybe some of the infrastructure as code as well?
So yeah, I'm working with cloud. I mean, we working with AWS because this is our main platform for doing these things.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Um. Okay. Well, yeah. Like, I suppose that moves me on to my next sort of question. Then, what are you like? What's the reason for looking for a change now?
Actually, I'm not kind of active searching.
Okay.
I'm just
Yeah.
trying to do the research and to understand what happens on the labor market and so on. And maybe I will find something more interesting, or maybe with more money or something.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. That's the best position to be in, really, isn't it? The fact, yeah, you know, you don't have to rush into anything. If you see
Yeah,
something
sure. Yeah, yeah.
interesting, cool. If not, then business as usual, you know.
Yeah, sure thing, sure thing. Just to be aware, to be prepared or something.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. Okay. Well, let me tell you about a bit about the rollover at Hargreaves Lansdown then.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, I mean, not quite as big as the AA, but they're a large sort of fintech in the UK. I think they're at about 2,500 people now. Um, so they have a range of financial products, so from kind of pension, investment account, ISA, etc., etc. Um, they have been going for about 30, 35 years, so probably quite a similar setup where like there has been a fair bit of legacy code to the platform, and now what they're doing is they're just kind of like looking to really truly modernize the platform. So a lot of emphasis on new features, the UX and the way that works, um, and yeah, just making it just like feel a bit fresher and a bit more modern. Obviously, the UK is well known for its fintechs, so like you've always got a brand new fintech who are trying to kind of take over, and they're building something special, and like you can't really you can't really get complacent in this game. So yeah, it's a really interesting time to join. So they're now building for their pensions team. And one of the team, Oliver's team, he's looking to sort of get someone in. He's built out a brand new team, which are just going to be more focused around those new features. And then you've got Stuart's team, which is a bit more of an established squad. So there's a little bit of legacy work with some of the PHP stuff. But I'd say 80% using kind of modern TypeScript, React Node, same cloud as you're using now. And they are, looking for someone with a bit of an idea and understanding of sort of DevOps principles, testing, and all that kind of thing. They're pretty nearby. You're based in Cardiff, right?
Yeah.
Nice. So they're based in Bristol. They meet up. It's about once a month at the moment. Sometimes once every 3 months. But they'll be moving office right next to Temple Mead Station. So that'll be a pretty easy journey, I suppose. Even that, having to do that once every 2 months is not too bad. Is that something you think you could do?
So here in this company we are doing the kind of 2 times per week, but it's pretty close because because I'm living in the center and it's pretty close to the office. I actually don't know about the Bristol because I was there just 2 times and not just really good know the location of anything there.
Okay, you live in Cardiff, but just been to Bristol twice.
Yeah, got you, man. I heard the Bristol is pretty interesting by the train station location or something, and sometimes you need to spend the time to reach your destination by the train from the train station.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I think, from the train station, probably to get into the centre of town, it's probably like 15, 20 minutes or something like that. However, the office is moving directly next to the train station, so that'll be a pretty easy journey. Yeah, cool. It will be like 2 minutes away from the train station, so that's cool.
That's amazing.
Nice. I think what they're looking for, I think first and foremost are like true full stack engineers, right? Mm-hmm. People who are just as comfortable working with React and Node, and people who like to take ownership with their work and will sort of move around the stack as and when the sort of requirement changes, sort of depending on the feature you're building or whatever you might be doing, Mm-hmm. That's it. How does it sound to you?
Yeah, it sounds cool.
In a nutshell. Yeah. Had you heard of the company previously?
No, man. Sorry.
No. You can't be expected to know every company in the UK, I suppose.
Yeah.
Nice. I forgot to ask, but what's your visa situation?
So actually I'm in Ukrainian visa and I have work permission, and this year we will extend it for next 2 years, and after that who knows what will happen, but I suppose we will solve this.
Okay, yeah. So you've been in the UK for like 3 or 4 years already?
Already 4 years, and I have the BRP and work permit, and that's okay for me. Don't need cool. This support now.
Yeah. So after in 2 years' time, you'll be able to apply for indefinite leave to remain.
I will try. Yeah. I hope I will do it. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Cool. In terms of the interview process, it's just 2 stages. Like pretty straightforward, really. First stage is like a 45-minute intro / Q&A. Mm-hmm. And then the second stage is like a bit more of a deeper kind of technical conversation. You might look up like a small system design solution, which might take 30, 40 minutes. Mm-hmm. And then there'll be some conversations around kind of culture fit. Culture fit is huge for this team, I should say that as well. So they are looking for someone who is able to prove that they're able to add to the culture as well. Maybe bring in a new way of working, maybe how collaborative you are, but just showcasing that you want to kind of build a team and help to build that team and not just kind of sit back and take tickets and that kind of thing. That's not really the person they're looking for in this role.
Yeah, I got you, man.
Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, if it sounds good to you, we can kind of give it a go and see where we get with it.
Sorry.
Hello.
Oh yeah. You just what was your last words? Sorry. Could you repeat, please?
Yeah. No, I was just gonna say, look, if it sounds good to you, we can give it a go and see where we get to with it.
Yeah, sure, fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Cool. All right then. Yeah. Only last couple of questions I've got for you. What's your notice period at AA, and what salary would you be looking for?
Say again.
And what's your notice period? So, like, how long do you have to give them?
Yeah, gotcha. It's about I suppose it's about 2 weeks, maybe 3. I need to recheck it.
Okay, sure thing. And what salary are you looking for as well?
As much as I can find.
It makes sense. Have you got a minimum?
Yeah, sure. And the minimum should be, I suppose, 65 because this is much bigger city, more expenses and so on. Yeah, and it's pretty expensive to stay in this country. I don't know why.
It's true. It doesn't get any cheaper, that's for sure.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I don't know how people survive here. It's pretty difficult.
Yeah, it is crazy. Yeah, I know that it's getting more and more crazy in Cardiff as well. Are you near the centre of Cardiff, or are you a bit further afield?
I'm almost in the center, Cardiff,
Oh, well,
but
okay.
I just did the research of the pricing, and my apartment not really expensive in matching with others because I was trying to find cheaper, but in same condition I just find the more expensive, and yeah, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's hard to win for sure.
Yeah.
I went to Cardiff last week actually. I've not been many times, but it gets pretty busy, doesn't it?
Not too busy, but sometimes yeah.
If there's like an event, maybe I think they had this like monster truck racing event or something like that.
Maybe yeah.
Okay, cool. Leave this to me. I'll try to get some feedback for you in the next kind of like, I'd say safely, I can get some feedback by kind of mid next week.
Mm-hmm.
And as soon as I have anything, I'll let you know right away.
Yeah, cool, man.
Cool. All right, thanks for your time, Ola. Yeah, I'll reach out to you soon.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Have a good day.
See you later.
Yeah, see you, man.
Bye-bye.